started. And this is also my first video, so. Okay, how do I put that over there? That's what an idiot. So there it is. Here's the card. Here's the there. There's the code card. I'm just gonna take it out. Oops. Crud. Why can I not? There, why is it coming out? There we go. Now it came out. I'm gonna be opening this Sun and Moon pack. One, two, three, four. Behind the back. Electric Energy. Big Mizaj. I don't know who that is. Brianni. Oh, wait, I just need to change the card. Crackle Croak, I think. Spiro. Formus, I think. Morler, I think. That's how you say it. Snackamore, I think. Poliwag. Nestball. Gumicious GX. I don't know how to say his name. So that's pack one. Let's open this other Sun and Moon pack. Already got a GX on my first pack. There we go. Let's have some good luck on this next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, Fire Energy. Hypno. Break. Rainbow Energy. Zubat. Shoulder. Yungoos. Paris. Caterpie. Instasic, I think. And a Parasect for our rare. Okay, now we're gonna go for the breakpoint. I forgot to show you the card. That and this is also the code cards. 1, 2, that's 3. Pelodot, Tot, Arcanine, Puzzle Time, Fimpletump, Tubberish. And guys, can you also tell me the names of these? Because I don't know them. Temple, Sidot, Shelter, Greninja Break, and Substrata. Okay, let's go on our last pack. We got a Greninja Break. That's my first break I ever got, which that's surprisingly surprising. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3. Ultra Ball. Shinna. Snurvy. Bronzer. Belka. I think. Snubble. Riolu. Gearing. Pinshu. And Hollow White Kieran for our last card. Let's review the cards I got. White Kieran. Hollow. Greninja Break. And these two cards I can't name. Thanks for watching, guys, and hit the subscribe button and leave a like.